The Apex Court on November 22nd has decided to take up a case for hearing which sought direction to investigate Sahara Group and Aditya Birla Group's role in the coal scam. The petition alleges that both companies bribed politicians in the coal scam probe. The court fixed November 25th as the date for hearing. The petition says that Sahara Group and Aditya Birla Group companies allegedly made massive payments to prominent Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress politicians in 2013 and 14 and 2012 respectively. The petitioner had also given his complaint to all investigating agencies and the 2 retired judges heading the special investigating team on black money. The Supreme Court on November 22nd refused to intervene and dismissed the plea of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, seeking a stay on the trial court proceedings in a criminal defamation suit filed against him by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. During the proceedings, Kejriwal's counsel argued why it was wrong to comment on wrongdoing of a public figure, and said that different orders by different courts in the matter were an embarrassment on October 19th. The same plea had been rejected by the Delhi High Court, after which Kejriwal had approached the Apex Court. The Delhi High Court on November 22nd was informed by the petitioner's counsel that the bank's ATMs were not working and there was no money in them in respect of the demonetization move by the Modi government. Furthering his arguments, the petitioner added that the notification issued by the Modi government after March demonetization says that banks should dispense money and ATMs should be reviewed whether they are working or not. He also submitted that RBI should file an affidavit stating as how many ATMs are working and how many are not. The court deferred the matter for December 8th, thereby granting liberty to petitioner to mention the case for early hearing. The Apex Court on November 22nd adjourned the matter seeking insurance of writ mandamus, directing a thorough court-monitored investigation by an SIT or by the CBI into the cases exposing political bureaucratic corporate nexus. The petitioner sought time to take instructions. The Apex Court on November 22nd, while adjudicating an intervening petition on sexual assault by an animal rights activist, transferred it to another bench. The court noted that sexual assault is not only for women, but men can also complain about that. The court also suggested that an inquiry committee for inquiring the matter can also be formed and listed the matter for next hearing on January 17th. NGT again defers hearing pertaining to pollution of Ganga. The National Green Tribunal on November 22nd, while continuing the matter pertaining to the Ganga Action Plan, was informed that ministry and various departments along with the industry representatives were holding a meeting regarding the issue. But tribunal again revisited the question of whether the industry's owners have any problem of shifting the industries. To which the council representing the industry's owners replied that they are coming up with various proposed plans, through which they could curb the industrial discharges at the river Ganga. Hearing that, the tribunal asked the council that if it orders them to shift the industry, they may come up with their wishes regarding where they want to shift, and gave the deadline of November 23rd to respond. The tribunal adjourned the matter to December 1, entailing continuous hearing day by day till December 9.